Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to select which language you want to start writing your script with in Visual Studio Code. So guys, before we get started with that, I will show you first how to download this software, which is a pretty simple thing. First, you have to open your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code from there. After that, you have to click on the first website that will appear for you and check if it is go.visualstudio.com. Now after that click on it and this page shall be open for you. Here you can install it for your Windows, or else if you have macOS or Linux you can find it over here. So here it is: macOS Universal, Windows x64 and Linux x64. And of course guys, if you have any other download you can click here, or you can just open it on web like so that's it. So guys, one more thing that you have to make sure that you are not making a mistake with it is installing the wrong version. So there is actually two softwares that are completely similar. So Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. The first one which is we are using is the blue logo which is in the right, and the second one which is Visual Studio and that we are not using currently, which is Visual Studio. Make sure that you are guys on Visual Studio Code. So now, in order for us to actually select the language, we need to have this language installed. So for example, here I have Python installed. For example, if you want JavaScript or Java, you can find it through here as well. So here it is. You search for Java in the extensions, and basically you'll find this, for example, here Java language support, etc. If you want HTML, you can find it through here. And basically the most like common programming languages will be installed for you by default. So now how we can actually start writing in these languages? So the only thing to do you need to do is, for example, here new file, and the second thing you need to do is, for example, here you will find all the language that you have. So you'll need only to choose the kind of language that you want to start writing with. So for example, Python file, here I click on Python and print whatever I do, and here it is, the Python file in here. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.